Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Time to Study. Today we are going to learn Bless. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Time to Study. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.